This video will describe the Search Stocks page. In the Simply Investing platform, there are 5 types of subscriptions available to you. This video will use the US and Canadian account to demonstrate the Search Stocks page. Click here to view the list of Dow 30 stocks, and click here to view the list of 60 TSX companies. In basic search, you can search by company name or stock symbol, and you will automatically be taken to the company's stock data page. To enter Canadian stocks, simply type in the stock symbol, then add a colon and the letters CA. In this example, let's search for Walmart. I'll go ahead and put the stock symbol in here. Click on the company name, click on search, and here you can see the stock data page for Walmart. The stock data page is divided into 4 sections. The first section contains basic stock information. The second section contains the stock graph. The third section contains a table showing the 10 SI criteria for this company and a description of the company. The fourth section can only be viewed by clicking on View Historical Data. This table will show historical data going back to 1999. You can customize the graph by selecting the years. The max option will only go back to 1999. In this dropdown, you can select from 5 different types of values. You can only select one value at a time. Once you've made your selections, click on Refresh Graph to view the updated graph. Users with this account, the SI course account, will not have access to certain areas in the stock data page. Course account users will not have access to the 2 values shown on the screen here. They will not have access to the stock graph, and they will not have access to the stock table shown here. Course account users will also not have access to the advanced search page. Let's continue with our US and Canadian account access. I'll go ahead and click on Advanced Search. Here you can search by market, US or Canada. Here you can search by industry. Here you can search by sector. Here you can search by SI criteria out of 10 using 5-year, 10-year, 15-year, or 20-year historical data. Here you can get a list of stocks that are undervalued, priced low, or overvalued, priced high, again using 5-year, 10-year, 15-year, or 20-year data. In this example, let's search for US stocks in the healthcare sector. I'll go ahead and click on Search. By default, stocks are listed from highest SI criteria to the lowest SI criteria. The Simply Investing platform provides you with the ability to customize exactly how you would like to see the data. You can hide columns by clicking on the red X's located here. You can sort columns from high to low or from low to high by clicking on the arrows located here. You can also drag and drop columns into different locations. The question marks here will show you the rule definition for each of the SI criteria rules. And any value that fails a rule will be in bold and its cell will also be highlighted. By default, this table is only showing 19 columns. However, you can click on Filters to display and filter on more than 120 different columns. You can filter even further on each individual column. You can also save your favorite filters and table views for later use. Any changes you make here are only applied to the current table. You can always click here, Restore Default View, to restore the table back to its default view. You will have to click on the Reset button if you wish to run another search query. Click here to view the 12 rules of Simply Investing and the SI criteria. For more questions and answers, have a look at the FAQ section located here.